If you're looking for the ultimate waterfront lifestyle, but don't want to pay Naples or Marco Island prices, then you're going to love this brand new golf access home right here in Cape Coral. This is the Soho model, a high-end, newly built 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with over 2,000 square feet of modern luxury. It's located in the Burnt Store Road area, one of Cape Coral's fastest growing waterfront communities. And here's the best part. If this same home were in Naples or Marco Island, you'd be looking at almost 3 times the price. In Fort Lauderdale, even more. But here in Cape Coral, you get all the waterfront perks, golf access, a private 14,000-pound boat lift, and a heated pool and spa, all at a fraction of the cost. From the premium Cambia quartz island with double-sided waterfall edges to the integrated indoor and outdoor speaker system, every inch of this home is designed for luxury and convenience. Welcome aboard, I'm Barry Cessna, your Cape Coral waterfront realtor. And lately I've been having a lot of conversations with buyers, sellers, and investors looking to make their move here in Cape Coral. And I'd love to help you too. Now, if you're thinking about buying, selling, relocating, or investing, or if you'd like more information about this home, don't miss out. Schedule a free consultation with me today. Click the link in the description below to get started. Now stick around because I'm about to take you inside and show you why this could be your perfect waterfront escape. Hey guys, I want to show you some of the amazing upgrades in this house. So let's go ahead and take a look at those upgrades now. We've got the kitchen here. We've got this incredible Cambia quartz countertop. It's got these special designs in here. It's the waterfall edges, so it goes along both sides. And it also has the stone accent right there, just giving it that extra special pizzazz. And then as we come around here, you've got the premium Frigidaire appliances, which really make it nice. You've got the 42-inch cabinets with the higher cabinets and the finished design at the top. And then we also have the soft close drawers, which makes it really convenient. This home also comes with this amazing wine cooler. If you're a wine drinker like myself, this might be a great feature for you. And then one more thing I want to show you here in the kitchen is this awesome pop-up charging station where you can plug your cell phone in, or if you need to run the blender, you've got that option right here. Absolutely incredible. They put a lot of thought and money into these upgrades in this particular home. So let's go ahead and walk over here. I want to show you this awesome accent wall too. Now this is the living area in this open space, and you have this beautiful gray and white stone accent wall, which really takes the show, it's the showpiece of this whole home right here. And you've got the recessed lighting up above to really give you that awesome look. Lots of premium lighting. I don't know if you can see the lighting right here, but throughout the entire home, you've got chandeliers. Right behind us here, we've got the pendant lighting. Just a high-end home that's ready to go. So let's go ahead and continue on our tour. All right, let's review some of these amazing upgrades we have for outdoor living, because everybody knows Florida is all about outdoor living. Let's go ahead and step over here. We've got this outdoor kitchen where you can do the grilling, amazing, incredible finishes on this. That same inside stone that was inside came outside as well. Beautiful. This one's actually a nice granite. And then you've got the refrigerator. It's got the plumb sink for water out here. Really makes it convenient for all your outdoor cooking options. And then let's go this way over here. I really want to show you this pool. This pool's absolutely amazing. It's got this huge sun shelf right here where you can just sit and cool off in the sun, get some sun. And then we've got a spa over here. You even have a waterfall that's gonna come when turned on. It absolutely looks beautiful in the evening when the lights are on. And then this huge screen right here. A lot of people don't see these screens, but what this is a picture window screen. Absolutely incredible. It costs a lot of money to put these ones in, and what you get is just a perfect view of your canal out back. Really special to have that. Now this is a saltwater pool. Even comes with a heater, which is an extra upgrade as well, so you can swim all year round, because us Floridians get cold in the winter. We typically don't go in our pools unless they're heated, typically December to March. But this one's got a heated pool, so you're good to go all year round. It also has a nice shower over here as well on the wall. Okay, let's go ahead and step outside and take a look at the dock. And let's go this way. Let's take a look at the dock and the boat lift. Now on this one, they put the captain's walk in for you. So it stretches quite a ways across almost the entire length of the property. And then you've got this amazing boat lift. This is a 14,000 pound boat lift, so it can accommodate a pretty nice sized boat back here. And then you've got this beautiful view of your canal. This neighborhood is starting to become established, but these are all brand new houses with brand new docks, beautiful boats, just an absolutely amazing way to spend your evenings and time here in Florida. Okay, let's carry on with the tour. Thanks for watching. This home truly has it all. Golf access, a heated pool and a spa, and a 14,000 pound boat lift and high-end finishes throughout, including can be a quartz island with waterfall edges and a fully equipped outdoor kitchen. Now, if you'd like more information about this home, or you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing here in Cape Coral, let's connect. I've been helping many others, and I'd love to help you too. So go ahead and click the link in the description to schedule a free consultation or reach out directly. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on my latest waterfront home tours and market updates, making realty dreams a reality here in the city of Cape Coral.